Atera Review. Is this IT management software for you? Let's get started. So Atera is a cloud-based all-in-one IT management solution designed for MSPs and IT teams, integrating RAM and RMM remote monitoring management, PSA, and ticketing, batching, automation, and an AI assistant under a per technician pricing model, letting you monitor unlimited endpoints per user. So what Atera does well is it has an easy setup, an intuitive UI, so it offers a clean interface that's quick to onboard, accessible even for smaller teams. It also has comprehensive RMM plus PSA, and it combines remote access for help desk, ticketing, billing, and reporting in one platform. It also has an AI automation and patch management, so the active AI features streamline ticket resolution and patch deployment. And then lastly, it has some positive reviews and satisfaction for over 92% user recommendation on Select Hub, recognized as a top IT management tool. So, in conclusion, for small to mid-sized MSPs and IT teams, Atera is a standout choice and it's feature-rich, affordable, and easy to manage. However, if you require flawless uptime, enterprise-grade reporting, or a powerful mobile experience, you might face some friction. So many jumps to Ninja One or Synchro reflect concerns about stability and support. So, should you use it? Well, yes, you should use it if you're growing fast and want predictable device unlimited pricing.